Hello everyone and welcome back to another daily tutorial video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Geode, the mod loader for Geometry Dash. So, step 1, you're going to want to go over to Firefox, or whichever browser you want to use, and type in geode-sdk.org. You just click enter. There we go. And you just click download. And here you just select your platform. Are you on Windows? Are you on Mac? Are you on Android? I'm going to be using the Windows option, as I am on Windows, as you can see right down here. There we go. It is now installed. Now we can close our browser because we no longer need it. Now we just need to open up our File Explorer and go to Downloads. And now just double click the Geode installer. Now you're going to have this Windows Protected Your PC pop-up. You might have it, you might not. But you just click More Info and Run Anyway. You just click OK to selecting a language. You click Next. You read the entire agreement before agreeing to it. You click Next. And you install. And everything I did should have worked for you, assuming you don't use a different folder for Geometry Dash on Steam. If you do use a different folder, then you will need to do different things, because the folders are different. So here, once you're done with the install, you just click finish. There we go. It is now installed. Now, all that you need to do is just run Geometry Dash. There we go. We are now in the game, and as you can see, the GUI has been changed slightly. We have a new button down here, which is the Geode logo. So you can just click on this. And there we go. Now we can just go over to download and download like a really popular mod. For example, let me just get Globed. So we just click install. We go to our installed mods. We see there's nothing here. We just click restart. So as you can see, we are now back once again. And we now have another new icon, which is from the mod. We just click submit. And we just log in real quick. Let me just join this one. Disable voice chat. And if I just go into, for example, this, as you can see, 24 players. I'm gonna be turning off the sound. As you can see, you can play in Geometry Dash in multiplayer using the Geode Mod Loader. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos just like this one. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!